Most Amazon sellers waste money on ads because they don't target the right keywords, but you don't need expensive tools to fix that. Amazon gives you powerful free keyword data that you can use right now to find what customers are actually searching for and where your competitors are ranking. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do free keyword research for PPC step by step so you can lower your ACOS, improve targeting, and scale profitability. The only thing that you need for this is Amazon Brands Registry access. Make sure that your trademark is connected with Amazon Brands Registry so that you can access the advanced tools within Amazon Seller Central like Product Opportunity Explorer, a search query performance reports, brands analytics, and much more. The most common method of keywords research is through the reverse ASIN method, in which you get the keywords of your competitors where they are ranking in top positions, and you target the same keywords. But this requires tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Data Dive. By the way, if you want a detailed guide on how to perform Amazon SEO and listing optimization through Helium 10, you can click on the link above to watch a detailed video on this. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about some free methods that also within the Seller Central to extract the keywords which you can use in your PPC campaigns and also listing content. The first method is through the Product Opportunity Explorer. Remember, to access this feature in your Seller Central, you must be a brand registered seller. To find the top search terms for your product, write your main keyword into Product Opportunity Explorer. Alright, so on Seller Central, to access the Product Opportunity Explorer, you have to go to the growth, then click on a Product Opportunity Explorer. And once you click on this sort of dashboard will pop up. Now here you have to write your main keyword, any generic term that you know for your product, or you can also write the ASIN of one of your competitor that you think is closely relevant to you. So right now I am taking an example of product, let's say that is knife sharpener. And once I click on this and search for this niche in Product Opportunity Explorer, I can have two type of views. The first one is the niche view, and the second one is the ASIN view. Once you put in the ASIN of any of the competitors, you can see the details for that specific listing in the ASIN view. So right now Amazon has provided me with these details. You can see the customer need column. So these are all the niches within this product. So all of these are the knife sharpener, but of different types. So you can click on your relevant customer need to further filter out this list. So let's say in this niche details column, I can see I have some top search terms. So you can click on any of the relevant search terms that you think is closely relevant to your product. So let's say in this case, knife sharpener is the most relevant search term for my product. So I clicked on this, so I can get a list of the top search terms in this niche. All right, so once I click on that search term, I can get a list of search terms like this. So I have a list of 20 search terms in this niche. So what I can do from here is I can see that the number one top click products for these search terms, and then I have number two top click product, then I have number three top click product. So I can get an idea if like most of these products are closely related to my product, then these are the relevant search terms for my listing. I can consider those adding into my listing content. I can also advertise on those. And also I have a few other data points as well, like total count for the search volume, like in the past 360 days, past 1 year, and what's the growth percentage, and what's the click share, and what's the search to conversion ratio for these search terms. So I can get a lot of details like this. So I have to download this data from here and have to export into any of the Excel or Google sheet. So what I can do to find some more related search terms, or to filter out these more, I can go back to these top search terms and click on any of the search term that is more closely relevant to my product. Let's say I'm selling a pocket knife sharpener. Let's say I'm selling some sort of diamond knife sharpener. So I can click on such search terms to figure out more relevant search terms. So in this case, I'm clicking on this pocket knife sharpener. Now I have the search terms for that specific niche, pocket knife sharpener. I can also download this search term and export this into any of the Google sheet. All right, so I have downloaded a couple of sheets from there, from those search terms tab, and have merged those search terms into one Google sheet. And after applying some sort of custom filters and formulas, you can simply format this sheet. So right now I have these search terms, and also you can figure out that these search terms are relevant to your product or not. You can simply apply some sort of conditional formatting on this sheet. So let's say in this case, this one is my most relevant product that I want to sell. So I have to go back to my sheet and search for its ASIN, like how many of the top click products are this ASIN. So I have applied some conditional formatting and I have highlighted the ASIN for that specific listing, that how many times it appear in the top click product. So I can get an idea that like where that ASIN, that specific ASIN is appearing, that one is my relevant search term, because that ASIN is in the top click products. And once you download this data into any Excel or Google Sheet, remove irrelevant search terms. To identify irrelevant search terms manually, you can search that specific search term on Amazon. And if there are 70 to 80% relevant results in search results, then that search term can be considered relevant. Now we have the top search terms for the competitors and our niche, and then we can use these search terms in listing content and PPC campaigns to strengthen our SEO. And remember one thing, there are many search terms that customers type in Amazon search bar to search for any product. So you always need to keep on discovering search terms through discovery campaigns like Auto, Broad Match, and Phrase Match. The next method is through top search terms. This comes under Brands Analytics. To access this feature, you have to click on this menu button, then you have to go onto the brands and then click on Brands Analytics. Once you are on the Brands Analytics, you have to click on this Search Analytics, then go on to top search terms. So this sort of dashboard, it has top search terms. I am setting up a reporting range of quarterly because I can have a wider range of data. So I have selected my quarterly data range, reporting range for like this specific product, and the latest year and the latest quarter data I have available right now. So what I need to do here is I need to put up to 100 ASINs of my relevant products. So I can also put some search terms herein as well, but that would just pull up some of the keywords. I'll be looking to get more diversified data, so I have to put 100 ASINs of my competitors into this. For that, I can also like put ASIN manually, or I can use tools like Helium 10 ASIN Grabber tool to pull out the ASINs. So right now I have this list and I'm just copying all of the ASINs up to 100. All right, so I have copied all these ASINs and I have to paste in here and just click on the refine results. All right, so once you click on the refine results, this list will get updated and you have to download this data as well. You have to click on this generate download, and once the file is downloaded, you can export this as well into any of the Google Sheet. So right now I have imported this file into Google Sheet. You can see that we have around 107 search terms that we have extracted through top 100 relevant competitors. You can get an idea that how many top competitors have the most relevant competitors of yours. So let's say in this case, this specific ASIN, I'm assuming this specific ASIN is my top relevant competitor. So I'm just going to click on this and copy and just find in this sheet. So how many times this specific ASIN is appearing in this sheet. So if this ASIN is appearing for any of the search term, that means that search term is relevant to my product. So I need to add that up in my listing content and also advertise on that as well. And once you download these two datas, you can remove duplicates and prepare a master keyword list. The next source of keywords is search query performance report. If you have an existing listing on Amazon that has some sales velocity and you are guessing what keywords to advertise on, search query performance report is the best data you can use. Here's a detailed video on how you can pull out the keywords from search query performance report. You can click on this link to watch out that video. And lastly, another layer of keywords is Amazon suggestions in search bar while you are searching for any of the keywords. All right, so you can search for any of the keyword in Amazon search bar. So right now I have searched a coffin shelf. So as you can see, I have a lot of Amazon suggestions as well as and the keywords after, keywords before, and smart complete through Helium 10. You can also use only the suggestions from Amazon, and you can simply export this data through Helium 10 if you have, but if you don't have, you can also do it manually. So this data is right from Amazon and customers are mostly searching for these search terms. The mostly search terms by the customers, so these are pretty useful. And lastly, compile all these search terms, build a master keyword list, and start using these keywords into your listings and PPC campaigns, and keep discovering new keywords through targeted discovery campaigns. All right, so we have discussed about that how you can do the keyword research for free to identify the keywords that you can target in your PPC campaigns and also add into your listing content to make your SEO more strong. So if you have any sort of questions regarding this, you can drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you.